Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link custom domain name to card.co website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to your dashboard where you manage all your sites. Once there, find the specific site you want to link a custom domain name to. Upon selecting the right site, the editing interface will open, which is your creative playground. Here, you can make any necessary changes, tweak some text, adjust images, or rearrange elements to perfect your page. Once you're satisfied with your edits, look at the top right corner of the screen for a small floppy disk icon. This serves as the Save and Publish button. Click on it to proceed. After clicking, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen, which is crucial for finalizing your site. Before publishing, you'll need to set a title and description. These aren't just formalities. They help define what your site is about and improve its discoverability. Take a moment to think carefully and fill them in thoughtfully. Continue scrolling down the panel and you'll see options for how to save your work. It's important to understand the difference between free and pro users. Free card users can use custom domains, but they will always end with .carddeed.co, which is essentially Card's signature domain, perfect for keeping things simple. Pro users, however, have more flexibility. With a Pro subscription, you can set your own custom domain name without the .card.co suffix, allowing you to fully personalize your web presence. Just make sure the domain name you want is available. Once you've chosen your custom domain, whether using the free or Pro option, hit Publish. The publishing process will take a few moments, so be patient and let the system work. When it's done, you can click View Site to see your newly created site proudly displaying your chosen custom domain name. Explore your published page to make sure everything looks exactly the way you envisioned. With your custom domain in place, your site is ready to be shared with the world, representing you or your brand exactly as you want it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can link custom domain name to card.co website. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.